Hey guys, it's Brian. We're back here in the garage with the Frostbite JL. Today we're going to be doing a little maintenance work on the Jeep, but the main thing I wanted to do today was thank my subscribers. Alright guys, as you probably noticed, we're over 500 subscribers, which is pretty awesome. I started this channel about a year ago to help out fellow Jeepers that just purchased JLs and now JTs as well. Kind of figure out the ins and outs of the JL and learn how to install some of these parts and get some of the specs and whatnot. I'm pretty excited with where it's grown. Look forward to where it's going to in the future. It'd be cool to hit over 1,000 next spring. That'd be awesome. So thank you guys that are subscribed, and for you that aren't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, follow along. We do have some cool stuff we're installing, and we have also got a Rubicon trip planned next summer. So let's go ahead and dive into the install. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to replace our engine air intake filter. So this is going to be a Mopar specific part. I do have about 30,000 miles on the Jeep, and it's about 2 years old. We have done a lot of off-roading in dusty areas, so I think this is what we're going to need to replace. I'm interested to see what it looks like after that amount of time. If you look close, that's going to be the part number from Mopar. This is a Mopar genuine part. Looks like I got it from Northridge. It looks like it came out of a Tacoma Dodge dealership. Alright, and for this one it is a little different than the JKs. We do have to use either a Phillips screwdriver, I've got one on the impact, or an 8mm. This one doesn't have the spring clips like a regular vehicle. It is a little screws. So there's 4 little screws. Let's go ahead and pull those off and see what our filter looks like. Alright guys, once you pop the hood, this is going to be your air intake, and this is going to be where the filter is. On a traditional JK or TJ, whatever, you got little spring clips here, 4 of them. And on the JLs and JTs, they switch to little Phillips head screws. Those are also 8mm. There's 4 of them as well in the 4 corners, so let's go ahead and we'll pull those out and see what our filter looks like. As you can probably tell, it's pretty dusty in here from all the trail rides, so I'm interested to see what it looks like. And that's what she looks like after 30,000 miles. There's a bit of debris in there, and it is pretty dirty. You know, compared to what a clean one looks like. This one's nice and light yellow, and this is pretty dark. So we're going to swap this guy out. This should be pretty quick. Alright, you can see this is a Mopar part. Made in Mexico, it looks like, but this looks like the exact same filter. So let's go ahead and we'll throw this guy in, and then we'll get those bolts screwed back down. Might not be a bad idea to vacuum that out. We do have some debris. I'll do that real quick and then we'll install this. Alright guys, now that you got that all vacuumed out, that definitely is a good idea. I had some sand and a bunch of debris in there. Have driven this on a beach a few times. So let's go ahead and we'll throw it in this way with the gasket up. Goes right in like the other one came out. And this would be the exact same if you were doing a aftermarket replacement as well. Something from AFE or K&N. The exact same install. So that's in there nice. You want to make sure it's sitting in there flush so we don't have any leaks. Then let's go ahead and get this guy screwed back down. Alright, that's going to do it guys. I'm going to double check it with just a hand screwdriver. This is straight into plastic, so you don't want to hammer it down too hard if you're using an impact like mine. You do want to make sure that these are in there nice and tight though, so you don't have any air leakage. This one closest to the radiator is definitely the hardest one to get to. It is right behind this harness here. You want to make sure you've got magnetic tip screwdrivers. That'll definitely save you some worry. Alright guys, that's it for that. Alright guys, that's going to do it for a quick install. That's definitely a good maintenance thing you want to keep up on. As you saw, mine's pretty dirty. When we threw it on the ground, a bunch of dirt fell out of it, so it's definitely overdue. It's pretty cheap to do. Those are only about 30 bucks. And like I said, I picked mine up from Northridge. You can check it out. Alright guys, so if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. YouTube does let me know about 90% of you guys aren't subscribed that watch these videos. So if you could, that'd really be nice. Definitely helps out the channel. And then go ahead and like the videos and leave a comment down below. Let me know what maintenance stuff you've done on your JL and if you like these videos. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Remember to have a happy holidays, and you can check out my Amazon store. I put a little shopping list for Christmas in there if you want to check that out. That helps out the channel as well. Alright guys, stay safe.